Yeah, you just click this video because you are trying to make money online. You've been trying to make money online, maybe. Yeah, and that's why you click this video. I want to tell you that in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make money online, specifically on WhatsApp, and without any investment, without spending any money, without owning a business. Everything that I'll be teaching in this video is free, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to make some money. I mean, a whole lot of money from WhatsApp without spending a dime. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. But before we do that, if you're ready to make real money online, please, before proceeding in this video, go to my comment section and type "let's get that money." Just type it there. Let's get that money. Type it there, and make sure you do hit the like button on this video so that it helps the video to reach other people like you that are looking for means to make money online. And hit the red subscribe button so that you don't miss any video like this again, because I do drop videos like this. When I find anything that's working, I come online here and I make video teaching you guys so that everyone can benefit from it. All right, without wasting time, let's jump into the video right now. So guys, I have two methods in this category that I'm about to explain to you guys on how to make money on WhatsApp without investing. So the first means is coaching. See, you can actually offer a coaching class on WhatsApp. You can offer a coaching slash consultants. This is where you get to advertise yourself and teach people what you know how to do and others don't know how to do. It's very simple. It's just for you to advertise yourself to your contacts. If you have a lot of contacts, if you don't have a lot of contacts on WhatsApp, what you need to do is to share your links to different groups, different people, and add people to your WhatsApp and get that traffic to your WhatsApp first of all. So after getting people to your WhatsApp, the next thing you have to do is to organize a coaching class. If you want to make it more like catchy, you make a graphic designs. You can message me for that. Message me with the number showing on the screen. Can give you a good graphic design concerning what you want to do. Yeah, you make a good attractive graphic design concerning the business you want to teach people about, and put a price there. You can get a whole lot of people and make a whole lot of money just with that without spending anything. All you have to do is to add those people that are interested in that coaching class to a group if there are very many, or you can also make it a one-on-one coaching class where you have to teach people things you know how to do and others don't know how to do. It's very easy. There are things you actually know how to do that other people don't know how to do. Most of the time, you people feel that okay, you don't know much, don't. But if you check well, there are things you know how to do that people don't know how to do. Offer a class, and you sell out that course to people and they pay money for it, and that's how you make. Imagine if you are charging like a 5,000 naira per person and you can get up to 10 persons, 100 persons, no matter, just based on your promotion. That's how you get people. Imagine how much you are going to make. So that's the first means you use to make huge amount of money online without any investment and without owning a business. Now the second one, this one is the like this one is like my favorite among all. This one is the one that has made me a lot of money on WhatsApp. I mean, I use this method to make my first money online. It's this one is working perfectly. So you just listen everything attentively to the end here, all right? So this method, guys, this is the one we call dropshipping. So what we do dropshipping, what you do is that you get products from business owners and you market them in your own price. And yes, you make your own commission off it. So actually how they do this thing is that you just, for example, you look for a hair seller, look for a hair seller, a very good hair seller, somebody you trust, somebody you know personally, so that you not fall for scam victim, right? Just look for a very good hair seller, very good clothes sellers and all that stuff. What you have to do is to collect those products from them, bargain with them, tell them that you are going to be reselling this stuff. You are going to be posting this stuff and selling them at your own price. You don't need to go get the product from them. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is that when they have the photos of these products, you collect the photos from them and you post them on your WhatsApp. Add your own price. For example, if a cardigan is selling for 20,000 naira, you can post it and add and make it sell for 30,000 naira, right? You can make it sell for 30,000 naira. So imagine if you can get up to 5 to 10 persons to buy that stuff. Even if they are pricing it lower than that amount, at least it's going for 25,000 naira and you make 5,000 naira profit. All you have to do is that after you get the buyer for that stuff, you just reach out to the original seller, collect the product from that person and send it down to your client. and that's how you make your money. You send the person, you send the business person the original money for that stuff, and yeah, that's how you make your own money. So right now I'll tell you how to do this perfectly well, easily, that you make a whole lot of money, so that you'll not just be using just WhatsApp. In this method, you'll not just be using more just WhatsApp. In case you are not having a lot of views on your WhatsApp, you don't have prospect customer. And this means I'm going to show it to you guys right now, guys. It's a very, 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 very interesting means, and this is very, very easy. You don't put you don't put any works to this. You just post and you get customers. Okay, right now this means is Facebook. Let me show you. Let me jump to my screen and show you how you do this on Facebook, guys. So guys, this is Facebook Marketplace features. This is where they sell things. You can see a lot of people have posted different things for sale here. So these things is very, very easy. I've clicked this one now, you see. So it's easy to send them message. Just click on this, send seller a message. Let me click on it and send, so you see it. So it's very easy. You tap here, people get connected with customers here. It's very fast, and yeah, you can see I just sent that person the message now. So let's jump. You click this place that the road sell. You can see this how it looks like. This way you input your products that you want to sell. So right now I'm uploading the product of what I want to sell. You can see it there, 65,000 naira here. So you just wait for it to process, and yeah, it's there already on Facebook. So you can see there, you see offer shipping. You click it, list as single item, or if it's in store, I'll just change it right now, list as in stock. Yes, I impute the price. Okay, my location, I change it from Port Harcourt to, okay, let me target Delta State. Yeah, so that's how you target. Oh, it's showing Benin. Let me just change it again. So I need to target it in Delta State. So you target any location you like. Target the location you are, though. Target the location you are, so that you can get this thing and deliver to the people yourself, right? Now targeting it, and I'll impute the price, 65,000 naira. I just impute it right there. Facebook give us the option to fill in all this space. What are you selling right here? There, I type it there. Categories, you just put in the category of whatever you want to sell. Health and beauty, that's for hair, for girls. Condition, they want to know if it's new or if it's used. So you just paste that new. Description, you write a brief description there. Okay, let me just skip it. I don't want this video to be very long. So, and there you post. There is a space at the bottom where you see posting. You choose your market stores. These are groups. Join groups. You join different groups on Facebook. These groups are automatically for sales, like for selling. They are selling groups on Facebook. They don't post normal stuff. There's mainly for sales, to connect buyers and sellers, right? Then you click it, and yeah, you're good to go. You are done. So guys, this is how you post. That's how you post this products on Facebook. And trust me, guys, as soon as you post this thing, you start getting customers. You start getting different people messaging. As far as you follow this procedure, I just show you, you start getting lots of customers. Okay, let me show you my DM, so that you see how fast people message for this stuff, so that you see how people are different people, the number of people that keep messaging when you post the products. Let me just show you right now. So guys, you can see it. You can see those stuff I posted there. You can see that blender there, I posted it. You can see lots of people that are keep messaging me. Can you see it there? People that are messaging me for that blender. You see that phone there? Those are people messaging me. Those are business. And you see all of them. You see blender. You keep seeing messages that I've rejected. Can you see lots of messages? Can you see them, guys? So I stopped doing this stuff. That's why I haven't replied to those people. So this is how you keep getting lot of messages after posting this thing on Facebook, because Facebook is a very wide audience, and trust me, guys, you make sales after doing this. So yeah, so guys, this method is very, very unique. So what are you waiting for? Go and start making money right now. This step is very, very easy, guys. Trust me. You can try this Facebook method, you can try the WhatsApp method. Just do this drop shipping and you'll make a whole lot of money. Because trust me, guys, sometimes you can add even more than the original price of those goods, depending on the goods, though, more than the original price, and you get people to buy them. Because most times these people that are buying stuffs online, they just want to get people they trust, to make sure they don't get scam, and they make sure they get what they want as they want it, just the way they want it. That's why you have to do it yourself, because you have people that knows you personally, people that trust you already, that knows that you can't scam them. They would like to purchase from you regardless of the price, right? They like to purchase for you. So guys, if you know this video is giving you if you know this video is giving you value, just hit the like button, drop some comment and tell me what you don't understand about everything about this online marketing stuff, or anything you want me to make video about. Subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping new videos back to back, guys. All right, this is not the end of the video, guys. I have a bonus tip for you guys. Now this is the last method which you can use to make money from your WhatsApp for free. Affiliate marketing. Now this is affiliate marketing. This is the kind of marketing where you have to market digital products. You market digital products online, and when you make sales you get a commission off it. There are different affiliate marketing platform out there. All you have to do is to look for one and register, and you promote a product, and when you get a buyer, the persons you this one is very easy because you don't have to do any of the works. They have customized websites for this stuff, so all you have to do is just promote a link to your unique product, and after you make a sales, they track it down to you and you get paid, right? Now I have a method I will suggest to you. I have a platform I will suggest to you guys in this one is the most topping among all of them right now. Is the most topping among all of them right now. They have good commission rates. They pay you really good though. But this one you use money to register. But it's called 72IG program. So if you like to know more about 72IG, you can message me on WhatsApp. And 72IG is a program where you also promote goods and services. You'll be making a whole lot of money. You can make up to 500,000 naira a month from 72IG. All you have to do is to register with a token. If you want to register for 72IG, you see the link in my description. 72IG, I'll post the link in my description, and yeah, you can use that to register for 72IG, right? And I've made another video about WhatsApp marketing strategies to success, and if you want to watch that video, it's showing right now in the top right corner of your screen. Just click there and check it out on YouTube also. All right, thank you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.